Hey everybody, good morning, Rob Mavid. Guys, today I've got something pretty cool to show you. If you've ever had to deal with a rusty, corroded part on your boat or car, or anything metal that is rusted, it is frozen up, it is not working, you know how frustrating that can be when stuff just doesn't move. Take this little sailboat pulley I've had for years. It was from like 1960. It's completely frozen and it's corroded. The pulley wheel wouldn't budge at all. It had corrosion all over the outside, and I thought I'd try something simple and inexpensive to fix it. Here's what I did. I grabbed some white vinegar, add a little bit of salt, and put the pulley in the solution, let it sit for weeks. About 7 weeks. You can already see now how the salt and the vinegar are starting to work their magic. The bubbles are forming and all that, which is a good sign that the corrosion is coming off. Now, I know 2 months seems like a long time, but honestly, this was solid corroded. It wouldn't budge at all. I'm impressed with how well it's worked. I started on February 11th, and by April 1st, the pulley looked completely different. All that nasty build-up corrosion was gone, and finally, after the soaking, the wheel could rotate freely again. So now it's looking as good as new, and it works just like it should. The best part, this method is extremely low cost. It's super safe. It doesn't need any fancy chemicals or harsh cleaners, just white vinegar and salt. And the fact that the solution reached these hard to reach internal parts is a bonus. It worked its way into all the moving parts. Now this isn't where it ends. I'm working on creating two formulas that are going to be like household lubricant and also something that's similar to WD-40. I'm going to be making both of those videos in the near future, so you want to come back. I also have a playlist of a bunch of homemade chemical formulas made over like 18 years of making videos on YouTube. So if you've got something stuck or rusty, this is a good solution, vinegar and salt. And it might just be the easiest, most affordable solution. Stay tuned for all my upcoming videos, and I'll be showing all my homemade formulas and do-it-yourself stuff that I'm continuing making over the years, about every week. So guys, thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you want to see more do-it-yourself fixes and tips, I'm always experimenting with new, simple solutions that save time and money. Take care. See you out there.